What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Sweet Man. You dig? Well, today's episode we're gonna be doing my first oil change. Yeah, it's that time of the year. So I've had this car since May and now we're in September. So the reason why I have to do my oil change, well, it's been over 1500 or 15,000. Yeah, 15,000. So I've driven this car a lot. But it is what it is, you know. I'm always fucking going bare places, so yeah, I drive my car. So yeah, I don't know yet how much it's gonna cost me to do it. So if you know, leave it down in the comment below before you know, give you guys the total breakdown how much the oil change is gonna cost me. If I was to take it to McLaren, it's gonna cost me $1,500. So I ain't doing that. Not $1,500. So I'm gonna be taking to Pickering Auto Lab. They were the one that's gonna be doing my oil change, so y'all stay tuned for that. And then yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a breakdown of all, you know, they're gonna charge me, so I know I ain't getting no discount, none of that stuff. So A for S. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna catch you in a bit. Yeah. Y'all, so cold start on the deck. Yeah, dig, you know. Obviously you guys know I did my modification, so more change, whatever. So yeah, cold start. It's not really cold, but there you go. Alright.
Ready.
Y'all, so updates. So now I finally do know how to get it to pop. However, I told you all from when I tuned the car, and I said, oh, look at those pops too. So that's a little, like, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yes sir, yes sir. But anyways, so yeah, to get it pop, it has to be at 6,500 RPMs, and then if you need double pops, it's at 7,000 RPMs. But you can do that in first gear. However, it takes a lot to do that, so I don't do that often, but sometimes it just happens and boom. And then I don't know if y'all heard it, but like it has that little crispy. So once I get it down pipe, what you guys heard before, which I'm gonna probably show you guys a little bit, like right now, and then so that's like, so there we go. Yeah, and then I'm gonna let it die down to like 25 RPM. It's at 25, like getting closer to 25. That, yeah, yes sir. Alright, we'll do one more. Alright, there you go. You already know what time is it, so obviously welcome to Auto Lab. Yeah, got the car here. Shout out to my boy, he's gonna take care of it. So just said, I don't know exactly how much it's gonna cost me, okay? So y'all stay tuned to that. And I'm just waiting to get like get another car so I can go get myself some lunch. However, I'm gonna leave this here. Hopefully I get the car. It's probably gonna be a Tesla, and then yeah, we're gonna try all the Tesla future. Yeah, stay tuned. Yo, guess what I have? You seen this? I just got myself a brand new car, no psych. So yeah, let me show you guys the ride. Obviously you guys see the keys, but I don't think I need to like freaking, I just have to hold the keys. I don't think I gotta do much. Get close to the car, boom. There we go. Alhamdulillah, it is open though, guys. It's finicky. Hold up. There we go. Oh Jesus. Yo, there's emergency in here. Oh damn. Yo, safe. I gotta expose you, man. You gotta clean your car, man. Yo, they have a freaking detailing shop right there. Put in the back, Yeah, that's cool. Yo, safe, man. Come on. You didn't clean the car, bro. I'm gonna beat you, bro. Like, exposing you. Like, look it right there. They have a detailing shop. But this guy didn't get this car clean. God damn. But anyways, so normally... Wait, don't close your door yet. I want to try something. Oh my goodness. I mean, this is a family car, so I don't blame him. You just put your foot on the brake. Wait, how do you start it?
Nigga.
Hey, where's the start?
Tap the key, nigga.
Oh, tap the key. Where do I tap the key? Tap the key where? It says. Oh. And then do what? I'm so lost.
The doors are open so you can't drive.
And look at my baby go. Close your door then, you can close it.
You told me to.
I know, I'm sorry. I'll see you. Hold the keys, please. Yo, is this car started or like, I don't hear nothing.
Drive and figure out.
Oh, Jesus. Lord have mercy. Alright, hold the camera real quick. Thank you. Let me buckle up because also I don't want to change the settings. This is a family car, guys. So safe. I'm exposing you just a little bit, but don't worry. Alright, so now let's put it in drive. That's neutral. I think we're in drive. Are you ready to go? Come here. Yeah, come here. Follow me. She's a bad camera shorty. I'll hold the camera. I think.
Move your fucking hand. I'm trying to take a Snapchat.
What's wrong with you? You see? That's what I gotta deal with. Shift in drive. Oh, now we're in drive. Hey, this is
makes no noise.
No noise. This is so weird.
So different from the McLaren.
Oh Jesus.
I like this.
No, I don't. This is so weird. Yo, hold up. Like, what are those little shits? Oh, they're all cars. It's all like. Wow. Wow. Wait, I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is crazy. No freaking noise. Wow. And you barely have to even tap on the brakes. Well, this is a cool experience. Well, you guide us, yeah? Updates. So obviously right now, as you can see, we're on autopilot. I ain't touching nothing. We're going 60 max. As you guys can see, we have 109 charge left. However, the only thing I don't like about this, it doesn't recognize the light. So yeah, it doesn't recognize you going to the light. I guess the newer Tesla have that feature. Let me know down in the comments if I'm correct. But if it did, yeah, you come down to the light, stop, and then keep on going. That's proper. That'll be sick. But yeah, so far, yeah, I fuck with it. But would I ever want to own a Tesla? Not yet. Nah. Maybe when I'm super old, then yeah, I want to get a Tesla. But at the moment, nah, I like my gas. Yeah, but so far so good though. I ain't gonna hold you. It's going on the vlog. Shout out to Jimmy still. Alright, so alright. Damn. Okay.
So there's a slight oil leak here.
Yeah.
It's probably from this pipe. There's probably a seal or O-ring there.
Alright.
That's one. Really slight coolant, not too crazy here.
No.
And then
It's still dry.
the water pump. This is the exit cover. You can see a little bit of residue there.
Yeah.
But it's not leaking. It just acts as coolant.
Okay.
I want to show you that. And yeah, that's about it. Beautiful vehicle here.
But everything else is good, right?
Everything else is good.
There's no okay. But for the O-ring, so this one here, can you check it out? Can you try? Can you like I don't know? Do you have time today to like check it out?
I'm gonna ask Drew and see what he thinks about it. I don't know if he's gonna have the O-ring here.
Okay. Because I'd rather get it fixed than me fucking running it down and then next thing I know.
Yeah, this car is like so like looking at the parts is like really
it's clean though.
It's clean.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's about it still. There's 4 spots.
Yeah.
You drain here, that's a reservoir, your oil pump basically, and then the turbo line, and of course your crankcase. So I'm just draining this, and I'm gonna drain 2 oil.
So you had 3? You have
4. This is your oil reservoir.
Okay. Yeah.
And that's your crankcase.
Okay.
And then that's your turbo line 1, turbo line 2.
And no way I'm doing this myself. Fuck that.
With the 32 volt?
Yeah, hell. Oh, 32?
32,
Holy shit, fuck that. Hell no. So update. Finally, oil change is done. Did pretty good. got that. So from now moving forward, man's gonna start changing the oil at around 8 to 10,000 mark, because I was waiting for 15,000. So now it's gonna be 8 to 10. Sinks also because it's tuned, so that's what I'm gonna get. An update on my downpipes. So I did call McLaren performance, McLaren Toronto actually. So they gave me 4,700 for the downpipe, so that's $300 cheaper than what the other guy told me where I went to go tune my car. I'm gonna see if he can price match it. If he can't, I'll probably go see him. If not, then I'll probably go through the dealer and then go back to get it retuned so it calibrates with the catless downpipes. I'm excited for that. That's gonna be coming in the future, but this year, hopefully this year, before the year ends. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to do it next year. Next year is gonna be a different kind of project. So for this year, the main goal was to get it tuned and to get downpipes. That's my main goal. So y'all stay tuned for that. And obviously you guys want to do your oil change, and the price that I paid for mine, they gave me some, you know, some discounts. They're nice with me. So I paid $500. If I was to take it to the dealership, it was gonna cost me 2 bands. So came here to Pickering Auto Lab, obviously, and then yeah, get that oil change. So yeah, if you guys need your oil, pull up. It's in Pickering, obviously, Pickering Auto Lab. So make sure you pull up, get your oil change. They have even a promo too, not a promo, but they have like an oil change program where I think after 5 oil changes, you get 1 oil change for free. So it doesn't matter what kind of car you're driving. So if you're driving a car like me, and after doing 5 oil changes with whatever other cars that you have, even it's cheap, it doesn't matter. And then yeah, you could just use that, and then you get your free oil change. Boom. So yeah, it's a pretty good program. So if you guys want to check it out, you can check it out at Pickering Auto Lab. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be doing a video shoot with them for the promo as well. So I'm gonna be coming back here. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna be able to film. If I can, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Alright, so make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow your man on Instagram, x_Sudoman. Yeah.